Hunter says that I have 3 equal pieces, which means I'm broken down into thirds, right? Automatically, without even counting, should we be able to figure out this answer? Good test-taking strategy, right?
So what improper fraction does this model name?
7/3.
7/3.
That improper fraction is a little more than what whole number?
6. No, 3/3.
That's my number. Look at what my number line goes to.
It's a little bit more than
2 whole.
2 whole. Thank you, Hunter. Please make sure you get a piece of candy out of the bucket when we get back to the room.
Alright, so if you notice, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces shaded. Is that going to be my numerator or denominator?
Numerator.
My what?
Numerator.
My what?
Numerator.
My what?
Numerator.
And my denominator is going to be what? Is Amber the only one in the whole class that knows what my denominator is?
What is your denominator going to be?
Come on.
3.
3. Because from 0 to 1,
Gusto.
like Hunter said, it is divided into 3 equal parts. Ooh, I like this question. It says,
the other one's listed.
let's estimate the position on the number line for the other fractions. So let's look at that first one. 3 halves. Cody, where did you think I would estimate the placement of 3 halves? What do we know about 3 halves? We're not going to be able to drag it. Just talk to me.
3 halves would be.
What's it going to fall in between?
What is 2 halves?
Can I
2
pull,
over 2.
can I pull a hole out?
You know,
No, you can't.
I can't pull a hole out?
It's less than.
It's less than a hole.
you're telling me, look at this, dear. You're telling me 2 over 2
That's a whole.
is what, which is what I said, 2 halves,
But how many
is
do I
less
have?
than 3 over 2?
I thought that's the other
How many do I have?
one. 1 and 1/2.
1 and 1/2. If I have 3 halves, I can pull out 2 over 2, correct?
Raven.
Is that correct? Yes, and how many will I have left over? 1 half. 1/2. So I'm going to have 1 whole and 1/2. What about 7/9?
Let's pull the hole out.
7/9.
7/7.
No. 9. Oh, look at this 7 nines.
Can I pull a hole out of 7/9?
Can we pull a hole out?
No. So this fraction is going to be what? Alexis?
A mixed fraction.
Baby, look at my fraction over here.
Can I pull a hole out? I have 7/9. Can I take 9/9 away? So
Do I even have 9
do I
nines?
have a hole? No. So this fraction is going to be less than 1 whole. What about 9/7?
Can I pull that hole out?
Yes.
Yes.
What would the whole be?
7 sevenths. How much more am I going to have than the 1 whole?
2. So this fraction will fall in between what 2 whole numbers?
The 1 and the 2.
The
Thank
1
you.
and the 2.
On the ball today.
1 whole.
It's more than, or what's that word I'm looking for?
Greater.
Greater than 1 whole. Alright, what else? Got anything else?
It's greater than 1 whole. It has a little bit left over. Like
Always?
no.
Can I have a true statement always that there's a little bit left over?
No. It could be a lot.
Could be a lot left over. It could also be
It could turn into like 2 wholes.
just like the whole number, right?
The numerator would be greater than the denominator.
Love it.
My numerator is greater than my denominator. Alright, leave these manipulatives at the program has given us some challenges. The students were not used to looking at fractions on a number line, so we've had to kind of retrain their brain and help them understand how you can see the fractions on a number line and how it's divided from 0 to 1 how many spaces you have in between and how many are shaded and where to put the fractions on the number line. We've used benchmark numbers such as 1/2, 3/4, 1 whole to help them see where fractions would be placed on a number line.